Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session for the revision of formative assessment 2 children. We were seeing the question and answers for different questions in the previous class. Today, we are going to write down the answer for the question. In what ways does living in India with its rich heritage of diversity add to our life? So, it's from unity and diversity, children. So, the question is, in what ways, please make a note of this one, write down in what ways living in India with its rich heritage of diversity, it is not adversity, children, it is a diversity, add to your life. Add to your life. So, for this answer should be written the point wise. Yes, living in India will, with its rich heritage, of diversity, adds to our life. How we know? Different people their language, we know, their culture, customs and traditions, thus diversity adds to our life. So, the second point can be geographical diversities. Decide our way of life, our food, our occupations, and many other things. And third point is, people learn to eat food of different regions. People learn to eat food of different regions. Okay. And last point can be, we love our language, culture, customs, traditions and festivals. This is how you need to write down the answer for in what ways living in India with its rich heritage of diversity will add to our life. It's living in India with its rich heritage of diversity will definitely add to our life. We know different people, okay, their language, their culture, their customs, their traditions. Thus, diversity will add to our life. And you know, geographical diversities will decide our way of life, our food, our occupation, and even many other things. And people also learn to eat food of other regions during this intermixing. And we love our own culture and language, customs, traditions, and festivals. Along with this, that also add the other regions' traditions also to our life. A kind of diversity gets developed. So this is India's rich heritage of diversity. This is how you need to write down the answer for this. Have you note down this answer? Next, who coined the phrase called as unity in diversity? Unity in diversity. Who coined the phrase? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru, in his book called as Discovery of India, has coined this unity in diversity. So do not forget that one, children. Unity in diversity is a phrase which has been first used by Jawaharlal Nehru. And what is a drinking water supply scheme provided in Vemulavaada Nagara Panchayat, children? Nagara Panchayat, Vemulavaada Nagara Panchayat के बारे में पढ़े थे हम. उसमें ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम देखा था एक, आकाश गंगा. So that is a scheme, drinking water scheme, which has been provided by the Vemulavaada Nagara Panchayat to each household drinking water scheme, that is. And even MGNEREGA, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Act, under the providing of livelihood or daily wages to the farmers we have seen. And even we also have learnt different things relating to the local self-government, village panchayat, and where is Gangadevpalli located, children? Hazipalli, Gangadevpalli. Gangadevpalli is located in our Warangal rural district only. Don't forget, Gangadevpalli is one of the Adarsha Grama Yojana, which is located in the Warangal rural district. So this is about the revision of your formative assessment 2, children. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.